Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Nissan GT-R. First, let's lay down the basic structure. Start by drawing a long, horizontal rectangle that will form the main body of your GT-R. Then, add two smaller rectangles on top to represent the cabin and the windshield. Next, sketch 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they slightly overlap the bottom edge of the main body. This simple foundation will guide your entire drawing process, making it much easier to achieve the iconic GT-R shape. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into the recognizable GT-R body. Connect your rectangles with smooth, flowing lines to create the car's overall silhouette. Pay attention to the roofline, giving it a subtle curve that gently slopes towards the rear. Next, sketch the distinct front grille, often a wide, trapezoidal shape, and add the iconic headlights using simple geometric forms like ovals or rectangles. These details are crucial for capturing the GT-R's aggressive stance. With the body taking shape, it's time to focus on the wheels and windows. Draw the wheel arches around your initial circles, giving them a slightly flared appearance to suggest power. Inside each wheel, add smaller circles for the rims and a few lines for spokes, along with tiny details for the brake calipers. Then, sketch the side windows and rearview mirrors, ensuring they are proportionate to the rest of the car. These elements bring your GT-R drawing to life. For our final slide, let's add those finishing touches that make your GT-R truly stand out. Carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines from your initial sketches to clean up the drawing. Then, apply subtle shading to create depth and highlight the car's powerful contours, especially under the wheel arches and along the body lines. Finally, include small but important details like door handles, side skirts, and the signature quad exhaust pipes at the rear. You've just drawn an awesome Nissan GT-R.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.